All right, today we're announcing the release of Cobra Crude 2020 and NinjaTrader 8. We've converted this strategy. It has a conservative and aggressive version, and it is part of the All Strategy Access. So those that are waiting for NinjaTrader 8 conversions, this is done. The others will be done by the end of the week. I'm going to show you the portfolio layouts in a minute. Let's first look at this strategy, the performance summary. Here is the latest for the conservative, and I'm going to show you the inputs and data settings as well. 85,562, this is back to 2007. $135 average trade profit. You see the trade today long at 52.76, exit at 53.16, and let's look at the equity curve. And there you have it. It's just simply a 15-minute chart on regular trading. It's kind of sideways lately. The aggressive version does better in the short term, but I find that trading both of these in a diversified portfolio, it can be good. So let's take a look at the data series. It's the same for the conservative and the aggressive. All you're doing is the 15-minute chart, and we're testing back to 2007. You don't need but maybe 3 or 4 months of data when you're automating this in real time, but to back test it, 1/1/2007 through 1/27 using the instrument settings. We're not worried about any sort of custom session templates, just a 24-hour session, which we all know is just really 23 hours since the market is closed for an hour a day, the futures. And so that's the data settings. These first couple of blocks are all that matters. The rest are formatting. From chart style down is formatting, and you can modify that how you want. I'm using what you see here. Let's look at the strategy inputs. Right-click strategies, and I click on the strategy Capstone Cobra Crude, and I'm going to go down and I'm going to disable this so we can see the inputs easier. They're grayed out when it's enabled, so apply, and now it's disabled. And so these are the input settings that we're using. Take long trades, yes. Take short trades, yes. Aggressive is not checked, so we were using the conservative version. So if you want to trade the conservative version, you uncheck aggressive, and we're going to look at the aggressive now. So we're clicking on aggressive. Max daily entries is 1. Number of bars long, number of bars short. The more bars, the more conservative. The less bars, the less conservative and more aggressive. And we're using 4 bars on each. And we're saying to use a stop loss on long and shorts. We're not using a profit target, dollar trailing, or break-even stop. And the per contract stop loss on long and shorts is 700. The long start time is 7 o'clock and to 2 o'clock p.m. Those are when we take the entries. We exit at 2:30. Same on the short side for the entry when we start trading shorts. And we stop trading shorts a little earlier at noon, and then we exit at 2:30. We cancel and replace limit orders to the market because we want to make sure that we're filled. And the rest of the entries are pretty standard. I make sure that this is enabled. I fill the limit orders on touch because we're canceling and replacing at the market. And then we anticipate $25 round turn slippage and commission. And we put that in our portfolio calculator spreadsheet. You hit apply and OK, and we'll wait for the results. That was quick. It's on 15-minute chart, so you see the results quickly. And let's take a look now at what we have. 109,974. A lot more trades, almost 3 times as many trades. 68.99, smaller average trade profit, but in the short term, this equity curve is very strong, and you see that here. Let's look at the analysis again, and you can see. Let's look at the annual, the yearly analysis. So you see, 2019 net profit 17,776. So big year. For it in 2019. 2020 minus 116 so far. And you see the years. There's some nice years, 2009, 20,000, 2012 and 13, and 14 were big years. 2016 was almost a 10K year, and then last year was a nice year. So you see the cycles of how this strategy does well and how it can kind of have some sideways years, 2015, a little bit down in 2018. And just so far this year, it's only 7 trades. It's too early to tell. And so I like to get in on, mean reversion to average profit. Right now it's down, so it's a good time to get in on this strategy. And that is Cobra Crude 2020. How does it work in the portfolios? We basically have 3 different portfolio setups. We have the diversified portfolio, which is about 10 strategies. You can trade 25 to 50K. The stock index portfolio. And we have all the NinjaTrader 8 strategies for the stock index portfolio. And we will be done with all the diversified portfolios in NinjaTrader 8 by Friday. You will have the All Strategy. We'll have the All Strategy Access strategy. Also, should have those by Friday as well. And Cobra Crude is part of that, and I wanted to share that with you. So if you trade NinjaTrader 8 and are waiting for the release of the NinjaTrader 8 All Strategy Access, we will have that out. Hopefully by Friday. That's the goal. We're working to get there. So let me know if you have any questions on that. That is Cobra Crude 2020 and the setup that we're showing here for both the conservative and aggressive versions.